So main idea about this is that, let's suppose if we have a circle with center h comma k and any point that lies on the circle, let's say xy, the distance between these 2 points is called the radius. Get it? So चाहे वो point इधर हो, चाहे वो इधर हो, चाहे वो इधर हो, wherever the point is, the distance between the center and that point is basically called the radius. So now what we have is basically this is your triangle and this is x, this is h, so this is x minus h, this is k, this is y, so this length is y minus k. Right? So now the Pythagoras theorem would be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Get it? Please run Pythagoras theorem. So this is basically the equation of circle. Equation of circle with center h comma k. And radius as r. Okay. Now, if you open this equation, x square minus 2hx plus 8 square plus y square minus 2ky plus k square 8 square. And this is y square. Y square minus 2ky plus k square equals to r square, isn't it? Now, I'm going to write it in the form of x square plus ax plus y square plus by plus c equals to 0 in this form. How? What I've done is I've written minus 2h as a, minus 2k as b, and h square plus k square minus r square as c. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the simplified form of the circle equation. Okay, this is another form. Now, from this form, if you want to find the center and the radius, you have to do the completing square and get back to this form. Get it? Completing square. But there is also a hack to cross check. And that is that if your A is basically equivalent to minus 2h, so h would be simply A over minus 2, right? And if your B is minus 2k, then k would be simply B over minus 2. So your center is basically minus A over 2 and minus B over 2. Agreed? And your radius, निकालने के लिए what we are saying is that C is equals to h square plus k square minus r square, right? So if we talk about r square, then this would be equals to under root of h square plus k square minus c. Get it? R. Fine?
Yes.
So examiner says the equation of the circle with center this radius. This is not a problem. X minus h, यानी plus 4 हो जाएगा whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is That's the equation of the circle they're referring to. So this basically means that any point whose distance from this center is equals to r lies on the circle. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you want to find the center and the radius using this, so what you're going to do is you're going to do the completing square. X square plus 10x plus y square minus 8y equals to 40. Now, if you do completing square here, you will do x squared plus 10x plus 5 squared minus 5 squared, right? Rather than doing minus 5 squared here, I'm going to do 40 plus 5 squared, right? Plus y squared minus 8y plus 4 squared minus 4 squared. Sorry, plus 4 squared. I've added 4 square on both sides of the equations and added 5 square on both sides of the equation. Balanced? That's x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to 40 minus 25 minus 16. Oh, sorry, 40 plus 25 plus 16. What do we get?
81.
81. All right, so your center is 5, negative 5, comma 4, and your radius is 9. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So it says point A is 30, B is 7 minus 4. Find the equation of the circle that has AB as diameter. And circle equation, I always recommend that it's better to make a diagram. It gives you more clarity, more visualization, right? 3, 0, and 7, negative 4. So let's suppose this is your 3, 0. And this is your 7, negative 4. That's your A, that's your B. Now, if this is supposed to be the diameter, then the midpoint of this diameter is going to be the center, isn't it? Center is 3 plus 7 divided by 2 and 0 minus 4 divided by 2 is 5 comma negative 2. Get it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Radius, however, is going to be the diameter divided by 2, or you can find the center's distance from any one of the points, right? But just for the sake of it, 7 minus 3 whole square plus negative 4, negative 0 whole square. So that's 7 minus 3 is 4 square is 16 plus 16 is root 32. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So 32 is basically 4 root 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you want to find out the equation of circle, तो हमें करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. अगर मैं रेडियस का स्क्वायर निकाल लूं, that would be just simply 32, right? So center is 5, negative 2. So x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equals to r square. Get it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then it says find the equation of a circle that touches the x-axis and whose center is 6, negative 5. touches the x-axis and center is 6, -5. What do you think? Suppose this is your x-axis. How will the circle look like? Radius?
It will be below the
Hmm?
it will be below the x-axis.
Below the x-axis and touches the x-axis, so it must be something like this, right? What should be the radius?
5.
5, because from x-axis, this point is -5 is the center, right? So your equation becomes x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equals to r square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Circle passes through the points this, and this. Find the equation of a circle. So -1, 4 is one of the points. 5, 4 and 1, 6. Yeah. What do you think? So we'll recap the properties with this. The first property which you need to recap from your O levels is that if you make a perpendicular bisector of a chord, that should pass from the center. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So perpendicular center lies on the perpendicular bisector of the chord. Okay. Let's suppose if this is your chord and this is your chord, these are your two chords. If you make the perpendicular bisectors of these two, the center should be somewhere over there. You get it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The perpendicular bisector of this is very simple. It's just y coordinate is same. That means it must be x equals to the mid value of -1 and 5, right? X equals to 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is x equals to 2. Let's find the other perpendicular bisectors equation by taking out the midpoint of P and R. Sorry, P and Q. So midpoint PQ, -1 plus 1 divided by 2 is 0. And 4 plus 6 divided by 2 is 5, 0, 5. Gradient of PQ is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's 1. So the gradient of perpendicular bisector would be -1. This is your y-intercept. Equation of the perpendicular bisector would be y is equals to mx plus c. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
And at the center, we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. X equals to 2 and y equals to -x plus 5. Let's solve them simultaneously. So y equals to -2 plus 5 is 3. That's your center. 2, 3. Get it?
Yes, sir.
And to get the radius, we are going to find its distance from any of the possible points. So let's suppose your point Q is 1, 6. So your radius would be under root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. That's 9 plus 1 is 10. Root 10. Equation becomes x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals 10. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Then it says the points P, Q, R are joined to form a triangle. Show that angle PQR is a right angle. So PQR is a right angle basically means that if you know the property, PR should be the diameter. Right? So angle made from diameter and circumference. Circumference is 90 degrees. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now, in order to do that, the coordinates of P are negative 5, 6. It's a hypothetical circle, right? Nowhere near to the original one. I've just made it to visualize. कोऑर्डिनेट्स इसके सही नहीं लग रहा है मुझे एनीवेज ये थोड़े बहुत बेहतर तो है वैसे नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं है 2 6 के ऊपर गया हुआ है राइट थोड़ा सा रियलिस्टिक बना लेता हूँ -5,6 Q. This is your R, which is 3,2. This is supposed to be 90, right? So gradient of PQ times gradient of QR should be -1. Yeah. So gradient of PQ is 8 minus 6 over -3 plus 5 is 2 over 3. Gradient of QR is 8 minus 2 over -3 minus 3. 6 over -9. 6. 8 minus 2 over -3 minus 3 is -6. -3, 8, 3, 2, -5, 6, PQR. 8 minus 6 and -3 plus 5 is 2 is 1 and it's -1. So rate of PQ is 1 into -1 is equal to -1, right? Therefore, PQR is right angle.
Sir, this was the negative grade is equals to -1 was the property for the perpendicular sorry.
Yeah, perpendicular is 90 degree, right?
Yeah.
So let's find the equation of the circle passes through the point PQ and R. Now equation of the circle, we know from the property that PR is the diameter. Yeah. And then midpoint PR is -5 plus 3 divided by 2 and 6 plus 2 divided by 2 is X square plus 6 minus 2 divided by 2 is negative 1, 4, right? And gradient of PR is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 4 over negative 8 is negative half. Yeah.
Yes.
But we don't need the gradient anyways. Why am I taking this? My midpoint is negative 1, 4. My radius square is, center is negative 1, 4. Its distance from 3 to 3 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square. 16 plus 4 r square is 20, right? So your equation of circle becomes x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to 20. Fine. Okay. Okay, so circle has a radius 10 units and passes through the point 5 comma minus 16. The x-axis is tangent to the circle. Find the possible equations of the circle. Okay. Tangent, x-axis is tangent to the circle. First thing first. 5 comma minus 16 lies on the circle. Okay. Somewhere on the circle, we don't know where. Radius is 10. Yeah. So if radius is 10, then one thing is for sure. कि इसका जो y कोऑर्डिनेट है वो तो 10 ही होगा ना. Yeah. But we don't know if it's above or below. Right? So there's also a possibility it's like this. And this is h comma minus 10. Now you look at this point. 5 comma minus 16 ऊपर तो होने से रहा. Right? Because y coordinate negative 16 is only possible if your circle is below the axis. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is not possible. If you take this, you know that the radius is 10 as well. So you make the equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to 100. Do you agree? Now, we know that there is a coordinate 5 comma negative 16 which lies on the circle. So let's plug it in. 5 minus h whole square plus minus 16 plus 10 whole square equals to 100. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
5 minus h whole square plus 36 equals to 100. 5 minus h whole square is equals to 64. 5 minus h equals to plus minus 8. And h is equals to 5 plus minus 8. Negative 3 and 5 plus 8 is 30. Get it? So possible
Yeah.
equation of the circles are x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 10 whole square equals to 100, or x minus 13 whole square plus y plus 10 whole square equals to 100. Get it? So far, so good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I show that y equals to x minus 13 is tangent to the circle this. Right? So इसको करने के दो तरीके. Method one is that you do the substitution. And then b square minus 4ac को show कर दें कि 0 आ रहा है. Right? So if you plug this in here and in here, this would be x square plus x minus 13 square minus 8x. 6 into x minus 13 plus 7 equals 0. X square plus x square minus 26x plus 139 minus 8x plus 6x minus 13 times 6 is 78 plus 7 equal to 0. 2x square minus 26 minus 8 is minus 34 plus 6 is minus 28x, right? One 39 minus 78 plus 7. What do we get?
68.
X square minus 14x plus 34 equals 0. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So b squared is, इसमें कुछ मसला लग रहा है मुझे. X square minus 26x 169 होता है. 169 minus 78 plus 7.
98.
Divide by 2. 49, right? So
Yeah.
b squared minus 4 ac, right? 14 square is
196.
and minus 196 is 0. Therefore, line is tangent to the curve. And this is the longer method. The smarter way is that you make a circle and find the center and the radius. पहले उसको हम लीस्ट स्क्वायर फॉर्म में ले आते हैं. x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to minus 7 plus 4 square plus 3 square. Get it? I've skipped a step.
Yes, sir.
X minus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole squared is equals to 16 plus 9 is 25 minus 7. 18? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means the center is 4, negative 3. Negative 3. But खैर ये वाले method में भी मसला आ जाएगा. I think let's keep the substitution method only, because this would be even longer. I will have to find the point of intersection as well. Okay. Was all good?
Yes, sir.
All right. So just find the set of values of m for which the line this intersects the circle at two distinct points. Intersects the circle at two distinct points means you substitute, and then b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, right? So x minus 7 whole square plus mx plus 1 minus 5 whole square equals to 20. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So now let's open this up. X square minus 14x plus 49 plus this is your mx minus 4 whole square equals to 20, right? Forty-nine plus m square x square minus 8mx, right? Plus 16 minus 20 equal to 0. So that's like m square plus 1 x square. 14x 8mx minus 14 minus 14 plus 8m x. 49 plus 16 minus 20 कितना हो गया?
45.
Equal to 0. Now you do b squared minus 4 a c greater than 0. Get it? So 196 minus 14 into 8 into 2.
224.
124
224.
m plus 64 m square. 4 into 45 is 180. And minus 180, right? So that's like minus 180 plus 64 is minus 116 m square minus 224 m plus 16 more than 0. Can we take 16 common from these two? Check. I don't think so. I think we can take 4 common. So what's 116 divided by 4? 29.
Yes, sir.
224 divided by 4?
56.
16 divided by negative 4 is negative 4 less than 0. Inequality sign flipped, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you solve this equation for me? What are the values of m?
Minus 2 and 0.0689.
Minus 2 and fractions में बता दो.
2/29.
So minus 2 and 2/29. So therefore, m is between minus 2 and 2. Get it?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you scroll up for a second? I can't see the question completely yet.
Get it?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Let's keep it till here. Next is the past paper questions. We'll